What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your RVES05 single PA speaker stand. Now as you can see, one stand comes in a box like this, but the setup if you have two stands is exactly the same. Let's open it up. Then you can pull the stand right out of the box like this. Get rid of this. And then right out of the box you'll see it comes in the folded position like this. There's basically two knobs that we can adjust on the stand system. So we're going to start with the bottom knob here. So we're going to loosen it, and that's going to actually allow us to open up these tripod legs. So to open it, you're going to pull down like this, find a position you like, and then when you're ready, you can lock it back into place. Once that's locked, you can then go on to the next knob, which is going to adjust the height. Now this stand is adjustable to 71 inches, and you'll actually notice when you start to pull up on the stand, there's these little holes here, which is actually where our safety pin is going to go through. So I'm going to find a position here, this looks good, where I'm going to lightly lock it into place with the knob, and then I'm going to take my safety pin, and I'm actually going to run it through this hole here, and then all the way through the tube like this. And then what you want to do is actually loosen the knob again, so it rests on the safety pin like this, and then retighten it, locking it fully into place. This safety pin is actually just an extra measure, so when you put a heavy PA speaker on top of it, it's not going to push through the pin, and this is the furthest position down that this tube can go. Now this PA speaker stand can support a wide variety of PA speakers from 8-inch all the way up to 15-inch, and it can support weights up to 100 pounds, which is why it's so important to have the safety pin engaged. So I have a 15-inch PA speaker here. Let me show you how to put it on. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your PA speaker. Now on the bottom of your speaker there should be a 35mm mounting hole, and that's going to be lined up with the top of the pole here. So you're going to take the 35mm mounting hole, line it up with the top of the stand, and then just lightly place it on. Now on most PA speakers there's actually going to be this knob that's going to tighten it to the top of the stand. So you're going to want to make sure that you screw it to the right to tighten it into place. And after you tighten that knob on the back of your speaker, if your speaker has it, you're going to notice all of that back and forth and side to side movement is gone. Now a general rule of thumb on how high you want to place your PA speakers, it all depends on your setup and the venue that you're performing in, but typically you want your tweeters, which are very directional, to be pointed at the furthest back or the middle of the crowd. So in this case, if I was in a bigger room, I might want to raise my speakers a little higher so that the tweeters, which are very directional, could be dispersed amongst the crowd. So now we just set up one PA speaker stand, but if you have an additional RVES05, the setup is exactly the same for your second one. So hopefully this video showed you how easy it is to set up this speaker stand, but if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support tech team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville, and I'll see you in the next one.